If you cannot find your screen record on your iPhone 6, it's very easy and I will show you how. And please don't forget to share this video and subscribe. As you can see, my iPhone 6 don't have any screen record in the main screen. I will show you now how to put this. You just go to the settings and go to control center, click, and then customize center. As you can see, the red negative sign up are all in your control center. So you will just add your screen recording, which is you will found down in a positive sign. Now I will show you how. I'm using now the iPhone 6 screen recording because we already set up the screen records. To be clear, as you can see, it's there. As you can see in the control center, we add already the screen recording. Now I will try to remove, and we go back to the control center in the main menu. I will show you. So it's not there, yeah, it's not there because we remove it already. Now we will put in the settings. We go in the settings, in control center, customize center. Then in the positive sign, we will add the screen recording to add in the organize to be put in control. Now let's check again. It's there now, see? Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, Mommy Maria. See you on my next video. Thank you. God bless.